Today we have a very special unboxing. As you can tell by this square-shaped box, I have gotten a new piece of technology. And that new piece of technology is a MacBook Pro. This is not a brand new one because I don't have a fancy Apple box, but it's one that's a few years old at least. It can still run the current OS and can do most of the things I need it to do. And it was pretty cheap for a MacBook Pro. About $610. Now let's get into this. Fragile, handle with care is what it says all over this box. This tape is extremely hard to get open. I guess the tape's extremely hard to get open because it says like do not open like without signing receipt. I think we already did do that. Try this. And there we go. I think I just got her open. Now let's see. Opened it up. What's this piece of paper? Now, as you can see, it's an Apple MacBook Pro mid-2014, still quite new. 8 gigabytes RAM, 13.3 inches, 256 gigabytes SSD in there that I could upgrade if I want to. I'm covering this part up because I don't want you to know my address. Now let's take things out of the box. So the first thing we have right here is the MagSafe charger. Because this is 2014, made before 2016, it has a MagSafe charger. Now, as you can see, there's a bunch of packaging around the actual computer itself, and this bubble packaging is the same thing that was used in my preceding Chromebook. And before I get into this, I'm going to say like the reason why I'm upgrading after only 3 months is because the Chromebooks have a notorious new update where like it won't really allow you to use multiple accounts. So I figured that's going to be useless because I have a school account, a personal account, a college account, all that right now. Yeah. Anyways, let's get right into this. It should just lift out of here, and of course it's heavy. Just move the box out of the way. And here it is. Let's get it out of here. Let's slide it out of here. And here it is. Looks to be in nice condition for refurbished. The MagSafe port has some wear on it. Wait, there are some chips on the sides because this is not a brand new unit. Let's see, SD, USB, HDMI. MagSafe port's quite dirty, that's quite normal. Headphone, microphone, USB, 2 Thunderbolt 2 ports. And there we go. I've just gotten it out of the package. Let's see what it looks like on the inside. And looks okay on the inside. Screen's a little bit dusty. It's a little bit dusty, honestly. I can dust it off. And yeah, get this. Here's a closer look at the MagSafe charging block. Still has the cover on it. This thing, overall, wait, there is a little dent on the front right here, but it's very minor. On the front. And I'm actually quite impressed with what this refurbished unit has to offer. So I'm just gonna go and set it up. I don't want you to see any of my information. And I'll see you guys next time.